Hey, Polly. Girl.
Hey, Polly, look at your daddy.
You want to give her some water?
Yeah,
She would like that.
let's get some water.
Oh, look. Oh, that's
Oh
perfect.
my goodness.
Perfect. How about some? Where am I?
Hello, little baby.
I'm just a little movie star. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna fly away tomorrow, I bet. And you have such big legs. You want some more? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on, little baby. Open. Open. No.
I think she's done.
Do you want to see if you can spread your wings? Here, let's see. Come on. Let's try to perch. Can we perch?
That's a good girl.
Let's
That's
perch.
a good girl. Don't do it too
Oh
hard.
my goodness. You are just doing so good. You are doing so good. Why did those little girls take you to me? I don't know. You're just so pretty. Huh? Huh? Is it good?
Hey, look at that. Nice little close-up. You are a very pretty bird.
Say hello to everybody. We'll put you on Facebook. What do you want for your name on Facebook?
Paula,
No, it's Polly Tequila Sparrow.
how do you know I am a boy?
I have no idea what she is. Or he. That is beautiful, though, this part.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She likes sitting up here.
Mm-hmm. It's probably the first time she's felt safe since she fell out of the nest.
Yeah, I'd say. Yeah, she's cute. Look at this part. Did you see her back of her head?
Yeah, I saw. Yeah.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
Look how pretty this part is. You know, people pay good money for that.
Oh, good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
I don't think she's ever going to want to leave us. I'm
She
sorry.
will. She will.
You sure?
Absolutely. She's wild.
Well, don't poop on me, okay? You want some more water? Here.
Oh. Oh, nice. That was a good one. That's probably all she wants.
Isn't that amazing? You know what? Your daddy smoked all my cigarettes, and I'm going to want some peanut butter pie. And you can't get on my kitchen counter. That's the rule.
Really?
Really?
Well, here's what I think about your rules.
Are you going to poop?
Maybe. Here we go. Don't touch me too hard. I worked hard on that fur. Feather, excuse me. Am I going to grow up and look like you? You got long, skinny legs. So do I. Let go of my pinky. Let go of my pinky. Let go of my pinky. Oh, man. God, again?
Aww. You want some more eggs?
No, I'm just getting ready to bite you. You got some more water? Put some scotch in there. That's it. Oh, I love scotch. How about some more scotch?
Want some scotch? We got
I
some
got
wine.
shit. Wait a minute. My stabilizer is not big enough.
We don't have scotch, but we got wine. Want some wine? We have Merlot. Not bad, actually. We have 14 hands, but we're not sharing.
Hey, that's mine.
Let's see if she eats in it. Oh my goodness. You ready?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness.
Damn you. Tease me like that. Come on, get it in there.
Oh, I got her.
God, come on. Oh, that was
It's
way too
big.
big. What the hell are you thinking? Come on, this is the last time. Get it right. Ready, set, go.
Oh,
I said, go.
boo.
Will you stop playing with me?
Oh,
Just
good
one little
morning,
piece. Come
baby.
on now. Get it in there. Yeah, I don't know. You're always trying to choke me. Come on.
I am not.
You get water up my nose.
I did not.
You missed my mouth. How can you miss that great big mouth?
George.
Come on now.
Open.
Are you shaking? Are you nervous about something?
Come on, boo.
You're nervous, aren't you? Ha!
Oh, goodness.
Okay, Dad, turn the video clip off now. It's getting boring. Goodbye, everybody.